In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balance sheet and income statement in Power BI. By the end, you'll have clean professional visuals that summarize your financials and are easy to update. First, prepare your data. Think of two categories, the balance sheet and the income statement. The balance sheet tracks assets, liabilities, and equity at a point in time. The income statement summarizes revenue and expenses over a period. Make sure your source tables clearly separate these areas with consistent column names and numeric data types for any amounts. Clean up blanks or errors and ensure each account has a clear category like asset or expense so Power BI can group things correctly later. Good preparation here saves time when you build measures and visuals. Next, load your data into Power BI Desktop. Open the app, go to Home, choose Get Data, and select Excel, CSV, or your database. Pick the relevant tables and click Load. After loading, confirm that the tables appear in the Fields pane and that the columns look correct. If needed, rename tables to something clear like balance sheet and income statement so your measures are easy to find. Now, create your DAX measures. In the Fields pane, locate the balance sheet table. Click the three dots next to it, choose New Measure and type Total Assets equals Sum Balance Sheet Assets. Press Enter. This gives you a reusable calculation you can place in visuals. Do the same for the income statement. Click the three dots beside the income statement table, choose New Measure, and type Total Revenue equals Sum Income Statement Revenue. Use this same pattern to create any other totals you need, such as liabilities, equity, or expenses, using the appropriate columns. With measures in place, build your visuals. For the balance sheet, add a matrix visual to the report. Drag the assets field or your account grouping for assets into rows, and place your total assets measure into values. Turn on subtotals to summarize liabilities and equity so the structure reads clearly. For the income statement, add another matrix. In rows, place account type, then account name beneath it, so you see grouped categories like revenue and expenses. In values, use your total amount measure. Use the matrix's total row at the bottom to display net income so viewers immediately see the bottom line. Finally, format your visuals. Adjust matrix styles for readability. Apply currency formatting to your measures. Align numbers to the right and emphasize totals. That's it. Thanks for watching.